Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to Google Translate a document. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be your phone, Windows device, or other devices that has a browser. Alright, then head over to your URL box and type in Google Translate. Alright, once done, just hit on enter. Now click on the first link right here which says translate.google.com. Alright, right here. Now you will be landed to this exact page. Now what we're going to do to translate a document is just head over to these tabs right here. As you can see, documents is listed. Click on the documents. As you can see, you can either drag and drop or browse your files by clicking on this button right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Browse. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to desktop. Now, if you're wondering what are the supported file types, as you can see here, supported file types, docs, PDF, PowerPoint, or Excel. All right. So I'm going to use my PowerPoint right here. Open. Once done, just simply hit on translate. Wait for the process to finish and hit on download translation. I forgot as well to add a translation. For example, my PowerPoint was set to English. So I'm going to try to set it to maybe Filipino. Right here. Then hit on translate. Wait for it to process and hit on download. All right. And I'm going to add on Filipino. Save. And we're going to go ahead and go to our desktop. This one, I'm going to open it up. And there you have it. All right. As you can see here, this was once an English PowerPoint. I'm going to show the original one right here. There you go. Through USSD code to check BVN on GT Bank via USSD code, simply dial and when I'm going to go to the translated one, sa pamamagitan ng USSD code upang suriin ang BVN sa GT Bank sa pamamagitan ng USD code, i-dial lang ang sa iyong cell phone. That's basically how you do it. All right. Again, you can do this on your documents, PDF, PPTX, or Excel. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.